Howdy, dear friends of Zarana DIY. Hope you're doing so well. Today we are going to make one of the designs of Zarana, that is the tissue box cover with these bling beads that are so nice. And if your home decoration is like that, it is very much recommended to complete your home design, and you can make it with any kind of bead that you have and any color that you have in any shop that is near your home. Let's start with each other and see how it is done. First of all, we need 4 beads in our fishing line. For the left one, as you see, I turn back to the bead, and with the right line I go through the string, and it is very good point that you should keep in your mind, because every one of bead that is common will be having a knot inside, and your beaded bag or your beaded box will be very strong when it is done. Again, for the right line we need 1. For the left one we need 1, and 1 bead is cross, that is common between the 2 lines, and the one that is having a knot inside. As you see, the length of this line depends on your tissue box. It can be, for example, 17, 20, 25. It depends on whatever you want to make. And also here, as you see, for the one that is in the next row, 3 beads are in the left line, and the last one is common, and there is no bead in the right one. And for the first flower of the next row we need 3 beads again in the left bead, and the right one there is no bead, and the other one are the same. We need 2 beads in the upper line and here the left line, and the last one is common, that is cross, or the one that there is a knot inside, and you should continue the way that you complete your beaded bag or your beaded box. As you see, you can make it from the side of your tissue, for example, a very long line, and also you can make it in a very small pieces, and just connect them at the end. But the one that you see, I have just made them in the whole way, not little by little. I just connected them in the same line. As you see, there is a wall that I made, and the one that you make a wall, you should give the shape of a wall when you make, and it stays very well. Some people make it a very big rectangular shape, and then they fold it. But as you see, my line is finished. I just give 2 knots to it, and also we add the thread whenever needed, and also the length of the line that I choose always is 3 meters and not less than that. As you see, there is a wall here, and we should continue our way to make it. And here is the way that I add a line to it. As you see, the ones that I was making, my line goes through to that beads, and I continue. Pay attention that your line should be the same in the right and left, and just continue your way and make your beaded bag or box. Hope you make it and love it, and you will be watching the whole process of the beaded box in the next videos that I will publish in the next days for you.